Why would a global fintech powerhouse, valued in the tens of billions, decide to pour another $500 million into one of the most competitive financial markets in the world? We're talking about Revolut and their massive $500 million investment in the United States. Revolut has been a European fintech success story since its launch in 2015. They've built a reputation as a super app by bundling everything from global money transfers and fee-free currency exchange to stock trading and crypto. They've amassed over 60 million customers worldwide, and they've been consistently profitable for a few years now. So, with all that success, why such a huge bet on the U.S.? The U.S. financial landscape is notoriously tough to crack. You've got established giants like J.P. Morgan and Bank of America, alongside massive fintechs like PayPal and Cash App. Revolut's initial foray into the U.S. in 2020 was a bit slow. But they've learned, and this new investment signals a major change in strategy. This isn't a tentative step, it's a full-on charge. This $500 million war chest is going towards a few key things. First, it's about expansion and scale. They're hiring hundreds of new people to build out their U.S. operations, from engineering to compliance. This is a crucial move to build a product that's specifically tailored for the American consumer. They're also focusing on getting a full U.S. banking license. Right now, they operate through partner banks, which limits the products they can offer. A full license would allow them to roll out higher interest savings accounts, loans, and credit cards, products that Americans love and use every day. They're even reportedly considering acquiring an existing U.S. bank to fast-track the process. It's all part of their master plan to become a banktech, a fully regulated bank that retains the agility and innovation of a tech company. The U.S. is the biggest piece of that puzzle. If Revolut can replicate its global success in the American market, the $500 million investment will look like a bargain. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.